Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be ranking Lexus IS300s on the Facebook Marketplace and seeing if we can find a good one. They are hard to come by nowadays, and each day someone writes one out. So we got to act fast. Our goal today is to find a decently priced 5-speed IS300 for sale that is not completely riced out. So first off, we have this one right here. You want $7,000, 187,000 miles. Okay, if it's in good condition, that's not bad of a price, but let's see the condition of the car first. You know, it's got the, I don't know, it kind of looks like a Cadillac grille. That's definitely not OEM, and I'm not sure what eBay site he got that from. Also, the headlights, very eBay, so we're going for an eBay inspired build right here. Shout out to eBay Motors.
When I need parts I can trust, I go to eBay Motors.
You've got the missing turn signal. Okay, he's got the weight reduction. That's not too bad. Spray painted taillights, also amazing mod. Really helps people see you from behind. And he really just does not want you to see his license plate because he knows that you can track him down with that.
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kiss you.
On the side, we got an F Sport badge, so we know this has the 5.0-liter V8 in it. It better be engine swapped. Have that F Sport badge on the side of it. The wheels, I gotta say, are not bad, and I think these are the Sport Design wheels, if I'm not mistaken. He's got another eBay special mod, the rain visors, and of course, you can't forget the fake Brembos. And after all that, he wants to make his car seem nice, so he put some plastic down here and got a leather-wrapped steering wheel cover. Okay, now this stuff I've not seen before. I don't know if this is an add-on. I know they had wood trim that was kind of rare, but I'm not sure if this is it because it kind of looks like he just double-sided taped this on top of there, and the shift knob is absolutely hideous. Go back to the OEM one. This is from like a 2010s car. It just does not fit. One thing that I do got to give props to this guy for is it looks like he got the car detailed because it did have the plastic, and the engine bay looks pretty nice. So at least he cleaned out the car a little bit before he put it on the marketplace. I hate those guys who post their car in the marketplace and it looks like a total junkyard inside their car. Now let's check out the description. Let's see the good stuff. 2004 Lexus IS300 Sport Design. So yeah, those are the Sport Design wheels. This beautiful Lexus IS300, I kind of want to skip the word beautiful. Let's just go to the Lexus IS300. Has gray interior, black leather heated seats, power windows and locks, sunroof, 2JZ inline 6 with automatic transmission, factory premium audio system. Price is negotiable with reasonable offers. Rebuilt title. He saved the best for last because sometimes people only get halfway through before they message. Yeah, I mean $7,000 for a car that's missing a couple lights and looks like an eBay special. Yeah, we're gonna give this bad boy a C because he wants $7,000 for a car that is a rebuilt title and has about $200 to $300 worth of eBay parts on it. I'm sorry, bro, but the eBay parts do not add value to your car. And on the contrary, I'm gonna have to ask for a discount because of all the time that's gonna take to take all the crap off the car. Like, I am kind of scared, other than the detail, how well he took care of this car, because if he's buying all these really cheap parts and just tacking them on the car, is he also buying cheap oil? Is he maybe skipping out on these oil changes just to buy the next eBay mod? Those chrome door handles looking mighty shiny. I gotta buy those. Next up on the list, we have, it looks like a dealer's car. Let's see. Yep, visit us today. 3,000 down, and he wants 7,500 for it. So far, it just looks like a basic IS300, which isn't bad. The wheels are ugly. Paint is all right. I hate dealers. I really hate dealers, but this is honestly a better deal than the last one. One thing that's great about this car is it has a 2001 dash. This is the only year that does not have the sticky dash, so that is a big plus. But you can still find the dashes for like $100 or $200. I'd say this one is a better deal just because it has less miles. He only wants $500 more if you were to buy the other one for full price. Never buy a car for full price, always negotiates. They'll at least be able to take $500 off the car, but it's a nicer condition. It's got a clean title, it has less miles, and it doesn't have all the eBay special mods. I'd say slap some new headlights on that, change out the front bumper, change out the wheels, and you got a pretty good looking car. I feel like I'd give it a B just because, you know, it's a little bit better and it's halfway decent price, 160,000 miles, and you'd probably be able to get it for like 6,800 or something. Okay, so the next one here looks like it's been modded, so this is going to be a fun treat. Let's see if he actually did a good job with it. No front bumper. I love this hood. This hood is actually a really good looking hood. Paint doesn't look too bad. Ooh, 272,000 miles. You better have a new engine in that one in 6,500. And the front bumper is in the car. Okay.
Wow.
Very questionable. I've not read the description, but why in the world would you not put the front bumper on the car before posting it? I mean, what does that take, like 10 minutes to put it on? 30 at max. Back bumper looks like it has some fading to it. The wheels, they're not that bad. The fitment is not that bad, but the rust is super bad. That thing is eating away the car. Next year, that car is going to be gone. New battery, new front wheel hub assemblies, new tires, new hood, new bumper in the car. Just not reattached. And that's the question right there. Just not reattached. Take the 30 minutes, put the front bumper on the car, then list it, and it just looks so much better. You might even get more money for it, man. And this car is getting a straight D because of the rust, the mileage, and he doesn't even have time to put on the front bumper, which takes 10 minutes. And with all that wrong with the car, he wants $6,500 for it. That guy is out of his mind. Yeah, this car is a total junker. Only thing that's nice about it is the hood, but that does not save the car at all. This car is like a $3,000 car without that hood. Alrighty, we got the real Dookie Meister over here. I already can give this one an F just by looking at it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need gone, offer money, motor turns freely, no ignition, no title, parts car. Oh my gosh. That is, ooh. Okay, wires going everywhere. That is not a good sign. I guess it depends on how much money this car goes for. If you get it for 500 bucks, might be worth it out of parts. But other than that, if he's charging more, he's definitely ripping you a new asshole. Even though he says it turns freely, I would not trust him. I mean, I don't know the prices of 2JZ GEs right now, but when we got one for my girlfriend, they were only $2,000. So paying anywhere near $2,000 for a motor that you don't even know works and has 190,000 miles, that is a big freaking out. Offer this guy 250, 500 bucks, or just go buy a nice motor from one of those JDM import places. It's got 60,000 miles, has a warranty, and it's only 2,000 bucks. This car is complete junk. 2,000 OBO. Okay, so we're starting with a good price here. Definitely a project, needs a MAP, intake, check engine due to straight pipe, no rear bumper, both front fenders are damaged but don't rub, does not start, needs a starter relay. Other than that, the interior is clean, motor is still healthy, oil leaks from the VVTi system, and yeah, it's a healthy 2J. 2,000 bucks. There's a lot of problems, and unless you want to do that, that's a lot of time and money to figure out those problems. Yeah, this is going straight to C. This next one's a 2001, so it's got the good dash, $4,000, and it's 270,000 miles. 2JZ full motor reseal, new water pump, new timing belt, thermostat radiator, lower mile transmission installed, LSD differential adjustable coilover. Okay, so he's got all this work done to it. The only problem is, does he have receipts? Whenever you buy a car and they say, oh yeah, it's been rebuilt, and they don't have a receipt, never trust them. I was looking at this 4Runner once, and the guy who had it last said that he resealed this, resealed that, and then I go look at the car and I find like 5 bolts untightened, the water pump is leaking that he said he quote unquote just replaced. He missed a whole gasket on it. It's just not a good thing when someone who doesn't know what they're doing goes in and does this type of stuff. Now, if he looks like he knows what he's doing and he has a picture or receipt, that's fine. Just don't trust people. They're all scumbags. We've got a solid 4 pictures of every angle on the outside from super far away so you can't see anything, and no trunk pics, no interior pics, no engine pics. This car is a C if the guy does not have the receipts. Now, if he does have the receipts and the engine is resealed and the transmission is fairly new, then I would definitely give this a B or even an A for the price point of $4,000. But more often than not, he's not gonna have those receipts. Okay guys, I think we're in for a treat. 2002 IS300, $10,500, listed a day ago. And this car is a factory manual, so this is something I've been looking for. Let's see if it's worth buying. It has the Altezza front grille, OEM headlights. They're a little bit fogged, but that doesn't look too bad. The paint on the car doesn't look too bad either. Jeez, I think this is the one right here. It's a solid looking car. Let's see the description. 147 miles, rust free, heat AC, all the stuff that works good. Car was my daily driver until recent. I would trust it driving anywhere. Tires, fuel pump, and fuel filter replaced. Included with the car is a full Altezza style bumpers, skirts, OEM Toyota ball joints, some extra fogs. Okay, this car is, I'm gonna give this an A right here. It is clean. He has good pictures of the car, low mileage, manual, and it comes with the Altezza kit, which is kind of hard to get. This is definitely a good deal, especially since it's a manual. I mean, these are hard to find nowadays. Offer the dude $10,000. I bet he'd accept it. Get this car. and keep it. These things will go up in value for sure. Next car on the list, $19,000. Why is it so expensive? I see an intercooler. This must be a GTE swap. Okay, this is another factory manual car. We might have another A or B on our hands. Let's go. Cars from Arizona. Arizona is a good state to buy a car from. Clean titled, great, no rust. Built by me. Chassis is 249,000 miles on it. 1J swap, only 60,000 miles. Car is great. Really just needs a body kit, rear overs to make it more aesthetically pleasing. I'm sure I'm missing something in the details. Car will come with a hydro e-brake setup, tuned with 550C injectors. Okay, price is $19,000. Price high, but 1J swaps are expensive. The paint looks good. The swap looks good. That is just a beautiful, like, billet aluminum valve cover. I love that. Nice seats. Great description. My man knows how to sell a car. Let's go. Ton of stuff done. LS400 brakes. If I had this amount of money, I mean, I'm definitely not buying it for $19,000. Let's get this guy down to $17,000 and I'd buy this thing. This seems like a solid swap. It looks like he knew what he was doing. This would be a super fun daily, especially since factory manuals without the GTE swap are already like 10 to 12,000 bucks. Add a couple more thousand, you get a GTE swap and just, you know, nice seats, good paint, good wheels. This is a keeper right here. This is a keeper. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe down below if you like these type of videos. I upload every Wednesday and like Saturday. Join the Discord and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.